How AI generates images. Simple explanation. How does AI actually generate images from text? Behind the scenes, AI models are trained on millions of images and visual patterns. They learn how objects look, how lighting works, and how different styles are created. Let's see how this works in practice. We open Magnific AI Image Generator. In the prompt field, we describe a scene. For example, a futuristic city at sunset, neon lights, cinematic atmosphere. Now we click Generate. The AI analyzes the words in the prompt and translates them into visual elements: buildings, lighting, colors, and composition. In a few seconds, it produces multiple variations. Each result is slightly different because the AI explores different visual interpretations. If we want a different look, we simply adjust the prompt. For example, we can add ultra-realistic, wide-angle, dramatic lighting, then generate again. This simple process, prompt, generate, refine, is the core workflow of AI image creation. Now you understand how AI generates images from text prompts. Next, we'll look at the 3 main types of AI image generators. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share it and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Tell us in the comments how you use AI image generators in your work.